growing up, we needed to add a little bit more space. My parents wanted to remodel their kitchen. They didn't know any better when the contractor asked for a crazy amount up front. The job was not completed. They were in the hole about $35,000. My dad felt just depressed. Going into this project, my expectation was to get very professional people who do what they do best. No corners cut. I didn't want any surprises. With having a family and running my own business, I don't have time for more headaches to pop up. We wanted to start a design for an addition for our house. Went on BEYREP.com and went through the whole user experience, and it did produce a handful of contractors. Everyone has been vouched, they're all licensed. The expectations were exceeded. Number one, BEYREP is completely transparent. Everything that you agreed on, it's all spelled out for you. My initial experience 10 years ago remodeling this house, there was always delays. It went from a 6-month project to over a year. And BEYREP, the contractors said they would get it done at this time, and they did.
I think it's a no-brainer. When we found out about BEYREP, I was like, oh, like everybody should use this. I think BEYREP helps with keeping everybody accountable. The contractor was so on point with getting back to him. I could tell with him, it's a peace of mind.
And they stuck to budget.
Oh.
At the end of the day, I knew how much I'd be spending. What I liked was the dashboard because it shows how much has been paid out of how much needs to be paid and what's left over. The great thing about BEYREP is the escrow account. You can actually deposit into BEYREP and all parties can see that the money's there. So as things progress, the funds would be released to the contractor and then off to the next step and the next step until the project was done. The task board is based off of your contract. It's a great visual where you can see the progress, and it also has the deadlines on there, which was great. Every evening I would log on to BEYREP and make sure what was done. And then on top of that, I would get daily updates from our contractor. Once that trust was established, it was simple and everyone was held accountable. Every contractor held accountable. I was held accountable, and it's all transparent for everyone, all parties to see, and the work was done.
I think it takes away a lot of the heavy lifting and the worry and the uncertainty. I
would definitely recommend BEYREP to friends, family, strangers, whoever can see this. It took away the headaches of a project, and it spelled it out in a simplified form that was very visual, and it was very comprehensive and complete. Being that me and my wife were totally busy, there wasn't a lot of follow-up we needed to do. And with their trusted contractors, those nightmares that I heard of, this is a solution.
We recommend BEYREP. That's the first thing you should do.